Hello, this is our 2015 SE 4-door saloon 1.6 litre diesel Audi A3. So I'm just going to give you a little walk down along the driver's side of the car here, showing you the alloys and the body condition. So it's finished in a beautiful silver metallic colour. The car has reversing sensors on it, and it's on a Galway plate. Just a quick look at the Audi A3 saloon boot space. A very good boot space for a car of its size. This car is a 1.6, offers 110 brake horsepower, and as you can see, the bodywork is immaculate. So the car has an NCT currently up until the 3rd, so that's March 21. Road tax is out in it currently, but the road tax per year is only €180. So this SE has half leather interior and good leg room in the rear. Again, in the front, the half leather is continued. So the car currently has 90,224 kilometers. This information screen will fold down when the car is turned off. The car has air conditioning. It has cruise control, and it has Bluetooth. So that's our 2015 Audi A3 Saloon SE model. And if you have any further inquiries on this car, please do give us a call on 091 38 3000 and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.